Whether you're going for some playful beachy waves, some soft natural curls for that full blowout, some classic big curls, more natural curls that are fuller at the top and more tapered at the bottom, or tight bouncy spirals, or maybe you're enhancing your existing curls, you are going to love this Wavytalk 5-in-1 curling iron I was just gifted. Now, obviously, I decided to go the playful route and went with the beachy curls to start, and I had so much fun doing this. I have very fine, very flat hair that I never get any body or bounce with, so this is already a lot, and I cannot wait to do the full blowout next, as that really excites me. Now, this has a lot going on, so let me get into everything you get here. Now, starting off, you have your main handle. It has a 6-foot cord, and then it has 2 heating options. On low, it's 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and on high, it's 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's for any of the solid curling wands. And then for the brush, it is going to be a little cooler, and that's because of the way this brush is designed. So this ranges from 302 degrees Fahrenheit up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And then they all go in very easily. They just have a little arrow pointing down. It's going to match with this button right here. Hold down the button, slide it on in, let go of the button, make sure it's locked in place, and you're good to go. And then to take it out, you will just hold down this button to release. Very easy there. Obviously not an easy thing to change out when these are hot, but you do get a glove, which I did not think I'd need as much as I did. I definitely used this the entire session, switching it between hands to keep my hand from getting burned as I was curling my hair. And it does come with 2 very simple but helpful, if you don't have them, clips to hold your hair in place. And finally, it does come with a bag so you can keep this all together. Now, what I really love is this is all made with ceramic technology, which is meant to reduce frizz and damage and help your hair just be a little smoother. Now, obviously, my hair is not smooth, and that's because I decided to go with what I thought would be the most fun wand attachment to start with, the beachy waves, and it really did give me playful, big, beachy waves, which is something that I never get with my hair. Usually when I curl my hair, it just flattens out almost immediately. Even if I use a lot of hairspray, my hair just doesn't like to hold on to curls. But it did hold on to these quite nicely and gave me exactly what I was looking for, and I really am so impressed and excited to try the next options. And so that comes to my second favorite part of this set, is that it truly is an all-in-one set. You're not just getting that single standard curling iron we all get that's usually 1 inch or 1.25 inches wide. You are getting the full combination. So you can go for those beachy waves or the more standard curls or that full blowout, or those more focused pieces, or maybe you'll use these in a combination with some of the other pieces to get those little tendrils around your face. Whatever you want to do, this set really has you covered, and it comes from a great brand that actually makes a lot of great hair care products that I have been testing, and I've been impressed with all of them. So if you are looking for a great 5-in-1 hair curling set that's not going to break the bank, Wavytalk has got you covered.